In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Slack communities. We'll walk through this using the desktop version of Slack, but the general idea is similar if you're on the web app. Before we start, make sure you're logged into the correct Slack workspace, since your options can depend on the workspace and your permissions. First, look at the bottom left corner of your Slack window. You'll see your profile icon there, usually a small circle with your photo or initials. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens up a small panel where you can quickly see details about your account. From that panel, find and click on the option labeled Profile. This will open your full profile view, usually in a sidebar on the right. Here you can see information like your name, display name, and other details, but what we really want is the menu that gives us access to more account-related settings. At the top of this profile panel, look for the three dots icon. It's typically aligned near your name or near the top right corner of the profile area. Click on these three dots to open an expanded menu. This menu contains several options related to how your profile and account behave in Slack. In that menu, select Account Settings. When you click this, Slack will usually open your account settings in a web browser tab. Don't worry, this is still part of Slack. It just uses your browser for more advanced configuration options. If you're asked to log in again, use your normal Slack credentials. Once you're on the account settings page, look for a section or tab called Slack Connect. Slack Connect is the feature that lets your workspace connect with external organizations and communities. Click on Slack Connect to open that section. Here you'll see tools for managing connections with other workspaces, which is how many Slack communities are set up. Within the Slack Connect area, find the button or link that says Share Channel and click on it. This is where you can start the process of connecting to another Slack community. From here, you can typically enter an email address or accept an invite link that a community has given you, and your admins may need to approve the connection depending on your organization's policies. And that's it. By following these steps, you've navigated from your Slack profile all the way to the Slack Connect Share Channel option, which is the key place you'll use to join and collaborate with external Slack communities.